What it do, family? Y'all already know who it is. I ain't gotta introduce myself. Today. Got that young gunner out of Dallas. MunchieDaGoat. My little homie, my little dog, man. He got that D-Moolah vibe. He always in his bag. We brought you to the gas station, you know. He was live from the gas station, inside the gas station, giving you that killer, that banger inside the gas station. He got the whole hood, free debit case, free gas for 2 weeks, maybe a month. Shout out Iraq, the Iranian man that did that. You know what it is. MunchieDaGoat, he hit me up, he said, hey, big homie, do the elephant freestyle for me. I said, I got you. My young dog, Pressure. Ski mask on. Oh, we should get locked and loaded. We should get locked and loaded and put the headphone under there. Y'all already know what time it is. We straighten up. Huh. Throw the bucket head on at the top, let you know I'm serious. Let's get it.
Hey, let that shit ride, Ty.
Let this shit ride, nigga. Let
Let shit ride,
Hey,
nigga.
Munch ain't gonna let shit slide. Hey, let's go. Huh. Yeah, I be fucking your hoe. Talk to him. I fuck the bitch like a mailman. Niggas be sound McDonald's like a bitch catch me knock off his frontal. Step on the bitch like a dope man. And pop on the bitch like I'm Kodak. Niggas be capping, they already know that. Brother stick back to back play, I'ma show that. Why you
He always gonna bring you these balls.
We up the clips at this shit. Niggas be cow, we gon' spit this noodle. Y'all 26 with a cooler. Got the clip long as a ruler. Play with my brother gon' do you. We sending shots at this Uber. We sending hits like football. If a nigga wants my, we can get it. We got bed like house chicken. Long little riches, 35-50 on game. Tell the brother get back, can't be by the bitch. Free Maze, till his bag was in this bitch. We on the woods, smoking the back to back. He on the beach, I had my little one handle that. He make it this on catch him in the end. One stick on the iPhone, we talk on the flip phone. I fuck the club, he won't be in prison. I fuck the bitch nigga high as I'm dead wrong. I black D-I-E.
He hit your chick high as he dead wrong.
Lie with a 30 pussy, come try me. The PB done while the PB sleep. Wanna beat 17, good to get me. Will never give up, I ain't stop my dream. Wanna get some BVs, put ice in my mouth. Before you come take it, I put him to sleep on game. The bitch like a milk man, niggas be sound like a bitch catch knock off his frontal.
Okay.
The bitch like a dope man, ayy. And pop on the bitch like I'm Kodak.
Let's go, let's go.
They already know that. Brother step back to back play, I'ma show that. YG, they my brother, he pull up with bitch at the stop sign. We empty clips at this shit. Hey, not worry about hoe or a nigga. Fuck nigga playing, get put in a splendor. Hey, my little niggas really be right now. Catch a lot black and we finna drop them out. Niggas be capping, they already know that. All this thing, but you know that. Nigga playing this bitch, I'ma rock out. Pull up and through his cup pop out. Hey, Freely J, nigga playing, get shot in his face. Rock out with a Glock and rock out with a Glick.
Playing, you getting shot in your face.
Munchie, we gon' fuck on this bitch. Then I'm finna hit me a lick. But nigga play kid with the stick. For real. Boy, you really a bitch. Let's go.
If you play, you gon' get hit with that stick, man. He gon' always bring that heat, boy.
And pop on the bitch like I'm Kodak. Niggas be capping, they already know that. Brother step back to back play, I'ma show that. YG, they my brother. He pull up with bitch at the stop sign. We up the clips at this shit. Ain't no shooter. Nigga capping this shit, but talking on the computer. Let go.
If you in Dallas right now, you need to be on my boy. You need to be on my boy. If you in Dallas right now. Ski mask on, you know I'm serious. You know I'm serious. If you ain't in Dallas listening to MunchieDaGoat, you crazy. You dumb, you stupid. The youngin' coming up. My boy already said, we already know what's coming next. I'm waiting on the video, waiting on what's next, and you know I'm bringing more of him to the channel. He always fight. Bars for bars. He give me that D-Moolah feel. If you don't know who D-Moolah is, you better go listen to him. He next up. All y'all other busters, y'all ain't nothing. This youngin' here next up. But if you feeling it, let me know. Tell me in the comments. I like all criticism. Don't hold back. I know my boy 100. I know he the truth. If you feeling it, hey, y'all go show my boy some love. Go like his video. Go follow him on Instagram, man. My boy, my youngin' ready. But I'm gonna tell you this. Ball for ball, 10 out of 10. Big stepper. Y'all let me know what it is. This your boy BCreacts signing out.